Hi, welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm making a street food from India. It's called the Palak Patta chaat or the spinach leaf chaat. So let's begin now. Require about a cup of chickpea flour, which I'll drop it into the bowl. Then we require about half a cup of rice flour. This is for the crispness. We require some salt to taste, some turmeric powder for the color. We'll make this into a batter, but other than that we would require some spinach leaves, baby spinach leaves. We need to trim off the stalk and dry it. Then we would require some onions, some potatoes, cubed potatoes, green chutney. This is the green chutney, and some date and tamarind chutney. And for the garnishing we would require some coriander leaves, some save which is ready made, and some pomegranate seeds. So we'll make the batter now and then we'll fry the spinach leaves. Add some water. We'll make a batter now. This is ready now. Let's start deep frying the spinach leaves. The oil is hot. We'll just deep fry the spinach leaves. We'll dip it in the batter and then we'll deep fry it. They're crisp and nice. We will take them out on an absorbent paper. We'll fry the rest. The leaves are ready now. We'll work on the yogurt. I've taken some yogurt and I'm going to whisk it now. We'll add in some salt. I've taken some chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can put in some black salt. It's similar to this. Or rather, it's a main ingredient of a chaat masala. And a bit of red chili powder. Now we'll whisk this. This is ready. Now we'll assemble. Okay. Now onto a plate, we'll add in a few of the leaves. We just add in a few leaves. This forms the base. Okay. Now we have to add in the whisked yogurt on this. Some of the potatoes. Some onions. Now we'll add in the chutney. The link to the chutney is given in the description. You can check it out. It's nothing but cilantro and green chili. This is the date and tamarind chutney. Both the chutneys, the link is given in the description. Now we need to add in some coriander leaves. This is the save. This is ready-made. I just bought it off the store, but you can make it if you want to with chickpea flour and rice flour. But it's a little bit tedious to make all on one day. Some garnishing, some pomegranate seeds for garnishing, and then you're done. You can add some more color. It's got sweet, it's got spice, it's got salt, it's got crispness, it's got everything. The chaat is ready.